The 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten is set to elevate the standard for upscale pickup trucks with a suite of luxurious and advanced features. This model introduces new exterior and interior enhancements, including 22-inch aluminum wheels and premium leather 24-way power front seats that come with heating, cooling, and memory functions for optimum comfort. It also boasts a world-class Klipsch reference premier audio system, showcasing the brand's commitment to providing a high-end audio experience. One of the standout technological advancements is the introduction of a smartphone as a key feature. This allows owners to access and start their truck without needing a traditional key or key fob by adding a digital key to a compatible iPhone or Apple Watch. Additionally, the Ram 1500 Tungsten offers class-exclusive available dual wireless charging pads and a powered tailgate for enhanced convenience and utility. This model introduces the Hurricane engine family, offering two 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engines known as the Hurricane Standard Output and Hurricane High Output. The Standard Output engine delivers 420 horsepower and 469 pound-foot of torque, while the High Output variant produces an impressive 540 horsepower and 521 pound-foot of torque. These engines promise to enhance fuel economy and reduce emissions while providing exceptional power and torque. The design of the 1500 Tungsten features a modern, contemporary exterior that maintains bold, heroic presence. New premium LED headlamps and a larger forward-leaning grille underscore its sleek, aerodynamic appearance. A newly designed Ram badge enhances the truck's front end, creating a strong visual impact. Overall, the 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten represents a significant leap forward in luxury, technology, and performance for the pickup truck segment, catering to customers looking for an upscale driving experience without compromising on power and efficiency.